Hello children, I'm very excited to meet you all. So today what we are going to learn is about the summer season. Summer यानी गर्मी का मौसम. आप समझते हैं गर्मी? बाप रे इतनी गर्मी. Oh, it's very hot. It's very hot. And in the summer season we sweat a lot also. ऐसे पसीना आता है ना हमको. Like that we sweat a lot. It's very hot. And in the summer season the days are very long and the nights are short. दिन बहुत देर तक रहता है और रात बहुत छोटी होती है. आपने ध्यान दिया है? Have you ever looked at it? आज look at when the sun sets, कब अंधेरा होता है, and also look at it कि when the sun rises, उजाला कब होता है. Get up early tomorrow. So summer season is the season where we feel very hot, we sweat a lot, and we like to eat and drink cold things. Okay children, what are the summer months? अभी कौन सा season है? What is the season right now? Yes, right now the season is the summer season because you feel hot during this time. So there are 3 months mainly in which we have summer. One is April, second May, and the third June. Some parts of March and some parts of June are also included as in the part of summer season. So children, this is the characteristics of summer season. One, it is very hot. Second, we sweat a lot. Third, the days are long and the nights are short. And fourth, the summer months are April, May, and June. Yes, so this is our introduction of the summer season. Hi everyone. So last time we talked about the summer season and how hot it is during summer. Today we are going to talk about the clothes that we wear during the summer season. The clothes that we wear during the summer season are very light, very airy. बहुत हल्के कपड़े जिससे कि we don't feel that hot, right? So the clothes that we wear are made of cotton material. Cotton material is very soft, it is very light, and it is very airy. So it keeps us comfortable. गर्मी में भी हमें परेशानी नहीं होती है if we wear cotton clothes, right? What are you wearing today? Talk to your mom. Ask her, what am I wearing? मैंने क्या पहना हुआ है? अपनी मम्मा से पूछें. What do we wear in summer season? Let's talk about that. We wear a frock, right? It will be a light, small frock, something like this. Or we will wear shorts, right? Like this. Or we will wear a t-shirt. It's a light t-shirt made of cotton. We will wear a t-shirt or we wear a vest. Vest, it doesn't have sleeves. इसमें sleeves नहीं है. Or we wear a vest, right? Or when we go out, हम जब घर से बाहर जाते हैं तो हमें क्या पहनना चाहिए? What should we wear when we go out in the summer season? We should wear a cap to protect our head from the direct rays of the sun. सूरज की गर्मी से बचने के लिए हमें एक कैप पहननी चाहिए. And और क्या पहनना चाहिए? We should wear sunglasses like this to protect our eyes from the rays of the sun. तो जब आप घर के बाहर जाएं, you have to get ready. You have to wear a cap, you have to wear sunglasses and wear loose clothes, right? तो हमने क्या सीखा आज? What did we learn today? We learned about the clothes that we wear, जो हम कपड़े पहनते हैं during the summer season. So let's do a revision, a quick one. The clothes we wear in the summer season. We wear very light and airy clothes during the summer season. The clothes are made of cotton material. It's very soft, it is very light, it is very airy. We wear frocks or a t-shirt or shorts or a vest. When we go out, we should wear a cap and we should wear sunglasses to protect our eyes. And in our foot, we wear slippers. Open slippers which keep us very comfortable. So now children, you talk to your mother, talk to your papa and ask them, what am I wearing today? See if you're wearing a t-shirt or a frock or shorts and discuss with them. Yes? So this is the clothes that we wear during summer season. Thank you children. Hello everyone. So I am back again to talk to you about the summer season. So we talked about how in summer we kind of wear frocks and light clothes. So we talked about the clothes we wear in the last section. Now today we will talk about what is it that you do during summer. What are the activities that you do during summer? आप summer season में क्या करते हैं? क्या करते हैं? सोचिए. चलिए हम बात करते हैं. Let's talk about it. During the summer season we like playing with water a lot. पानी के साथ खेलने में बहुत मजा आता है. पानी ठंडा ठंडा लगता है, इसलिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So we like to take long baths. बहुत देर तक नहाने का मजा आता है. We like going to the pool, right? We like to go and swim. We like going to the beaches. तो जो भी पानी से related activities हैं, that we love doing during summer. Am I right? Yes. What else do you like? Don't you like eating ice creams in summer? ठंडी ठंडी ice cream खाने में मजा आता है ना? So you like eating orange ice creams or you like to eat the ice cream with the cone. Basically enjoy eating ice creams. And the fruits during summer, they are really juicy and really tasty and sweet. So you get watermelons, you get mangoes during summer. So those two things are also very tasty to eat. Watermelon ki lambi red slices you like to eat. Mango yellow slices you like to eat, right? So you like to eat watermelon and mango during summer. What else do you like? You like to, oh, very important, you have your summer holidays during summer. Because it's so hot outside, the school is closed. And the children stay at home, they stay with their mommy and papa, and they have their holidays and they have a lot of fun. अब holidays होती है तो आप क्या करते हैं? You go to your grandparents' house, आप नानी के घर जाते हैं, दादी के घर जाते हैं. You go to meet your cousins and you have a lot of fun. Yes? So these are just some of the activities जो हम लोग summer में करते हैं. आप क्या करते हैं? आप मुझे जरूर बताइएगा. So let's do a quick recap of what we do. Summer season, activities we do, right? The first one that we have written is we go to the beaches. You go to the beach, play in the sand, right? Second that we've written is we have our summer holidays where you go to your relative's place or just stay at home and chill. Third, we enjoy eating ice creams, right? You like to lick a cold ice cream and have feel very nice about it. Third, fourth, we eat watermelons and we eat mangoes. Tasty, tasty, juicy, juicy fruits. And obviously we go to the pool, we go to the water park, we like having a long bath. Basically we like playing with water a lot. Alright children, so now what you will do is you will listen to this video and also discuss with your parents, with your grandparents कि हम summer में क्या करते हैं और what else do we do, right? Let me know what else do you do and I'll meet you again for with a different video. Alright, bye children.